To perform a simple image quality adjustment for image transfer, log into the user interface as System Administrator, select Paper Tray Settings, select Custom Paper Settings, select the first available line, select Change Settings. With the name line selected, select Change Settings. Enter a name for this adjustment. It is useful to name the adjustment with the paper size and weight. Select Save. Select Adjust Image Transfer. Select Change Settings. Touch the Select Sample Number button. Select Sample Printout. Select the paper supply tray and paper for this procedure. Select the type of stock on which you are seeing uneven colour. If you are seeing the problem on an 8.5 by 11 or A4 paper with a weight of 220 GSM, then if possible, use an 11 by 17 A3 size with the same weight, 220 GSM. You need to match the weight, and it is best to use a large size paper so that more target patches will be printed and scanned. Press the green Start button. A target print is made by the press. Press Confirm when the printing is complete. Select Close. Select Scan Calibration Chart. Position the target on the document glass with the code in the top left corner of the glass and with side 1 facing down. The code is a square with a black bar beside it on the top left of the page. Place 5 sheets of blank white paper on top of the target. Touch Scan on the user interface. When scanning is complete, Scan Page 1 appears on the lower left screen. When the adjustments are complete, select Confirm. Notice the adjustments that have been made for side 1. They may range from -5 to +10. You can now print a sample to see the results of the adjustment. Select Sample Printout and press the green Start button. Select Confirm after the sample prints and then Close. To evaluate the sample, check the colour patches for the row marked 0. Save and close. Once an image transfer is created and saved, you can assign it to any tray that is feeding the stock for which you created the adjustment. To assign the adjustment, open and close the tray with the media requiring the image transfer settings. The Tray Properties window opens on the user interface. Select Change Settings. Select Paper Type and Paper Weight. Scroll until you see the name of the image transfer adjustment that you created and want to apply. Select this name. Select Save. Save the assignment and exit the screens. The selected image transfer adjustment will now appear on the control panel display for the paper tray that you assigned.